my friends. We came down to, we were just gonna go to the zoo, but we came down to TigerTopia, and then we'll go to the zoo afterwards. So here are some shots of TigerTopia.
Cute, the little bit hot. And I have food for them.
Yeah, over there he has food. Nom, nom, nom. There's another one over there. Double cages for safety, I guess. Probably a good idea. Oh yeah, he's a good kitty. Meow meow. Meow meow. Hello, hello. Got something in his ear. Yeah, you can shoot these to drop food for them. Interesting. I think I'll try.
Wow. Whoa. Nice. Good. Did I?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look what I did. Yeah. Come here.
That's good. Nice.
Military, good. Shoot. Yeah.
Been happy now.
Nom. As I say, there's yeah.
Good.
Good job.
Good job. Ooh, really big.
Big tag. Oh.
How much did it go and female and male?
Can't hide. I see. Cool. So you can come down and watch and look at all these tigers, and they're all in. Oh, there. Nikki tired. can feed. I think they know you can feed. Oh, he's looking at something. Oh. Like happy and not happy at the same time. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow.
ติดกรงทางด้านนี้ได้ค่ะเดี๋ยวทำน้องเสือยืนขึ้นให้
ไม่เป็นไรค่ะ
เลยครับภาพสวยนะเดี๋ยวเรายืนอย่างเงี้ยแล้วเราก็จะยืนสองเท้าเหมือนกันลองดูครับผมลองดู
เอาเทคแคมเล็ก
น้องมาน้องมาเร็วมันไม่หลุดพี่ขอโทษพี่หันทางให้หนูนะลูกโอ้ยขอโทษ
โอ้
สลับกันถ่ายรูปได้นะคะคุณผู้ชายก็มาถ่าย
So now we're at the crocodiles. Look, they got little Nicky steps so that you can get up there and see. Oh, there's so many. Look at that.
You see this?
He's just chilling with his mouth open. He said, "Give me food." These ones all chilling over here. If you, this one's coming for Nikki. What's up, buddy? What are you doing? Oh, he's just chilling. I was gonna come up and have a Nikki snack. Yeah. Come for you. Nikki snack. So you can feed these ones if you would like. I don't think that we're gonna do that though. I'm not so into getting close and feeding things that could eat me. Yeah. Sneaking up on you, Nikki. He's gonna get you. This one also has a little Nikki stool. You can stand up on it.
Then looking at me.
I told you. You can see it in the water and stuff. We're just gonna get a little bit closer to these big ones. Oh, hello. It's big. Oh, yeah, that's right. This one scared me. Yeah, that's right. Wow, this one actually is a statue. The other ones were just playing as statue. Look how big this is. Ooh, they have baby over here. They're gonna show us baby. Oh.
You can touch. You can touch.
Yeah. Oh wow. And then the belly. I had the belly. They like it.
ว่าต้องอันนั้นเนาะถ้าหันมางับเลยเหรอ
งับไม่ได้ครับมันมัด
โทรมัดปากไว้
It doesn't want to do it anymore. It was calling to us. So that's it for the Tiger Park. We'll go on to the zoo. What do you think? Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. She was scared of the tiger. She was like, "Oh no, it's gonna chew on me." I said, "Yeah, Nikki snack."
I know one look my arm.
So we're going to the zoo next. Okay, we're now at the zoo. And we're gonna go in here and then just hang out, because at the end of the video I'll tell you how much everything costs and how long it took us to get here and all that stuff. So chill. Nikki's waiting for me. So we see our first monkey. He's got a bag of something and a kid. So yeah, cool. We're gonna go get a cart and drive around, I think. Okay. These little ones. Oh, I scared them. I'm sorry. He look at me though. Don't steal my phone. Alright, so if you want a golf cart, down there is like one-person electric carts, and then oh yeah, there's a school here, and then yeah, you have to follow this down that way. This is the entrance. So we went through the entrance and like went around there. There's a 7-Eleven. We got some drinks, and then you have to walk down here to get the golf cart. So we go. Oh, I see over here. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Okay, cool. Nick's burning. Just walking. Yeah, look, there's a monkey up there, and then there's one in here. I don't know why she's trying to call it. She was scared of the other one, but she wants to call this one for some reason.
They cannot jump on me.
Maybe they can. See?
They're not jump.
Maybe. Okay. Golf cart's almost there. Nikki don't want to drive. She said, "Oh, it'd be bad. I hurt people." What's that food? Oh, you can feed. There's a deer over here. See the deer?
Yeah.
You can feed deer if you want, I guess.
Yeah.
You want to do? I guess stop.
Nah, it's okay.
Okay. That bone. Oh, there's this cow.
Khao Kiao Sư.
Cow. Oh, there's them. Should we stop here? Is there something?
Yeah, I can.
Wow. Doesn't look like there's parking spots here.
Yeah, whatever. You can.
Ooh. Well, this is reindeer, I think. Reindeer. They don't fly, apparently. Oh, so that's where you get your cart from. You have to go all the way around and then come back over here. I wonder if you could maybe you can just cross that. I don't know. Okay. We're gonna go down the secret way. She said that way. Okay. Hippos maybe. Oh, look at this one. It's got pretty big horns. Well, antlers. Sorry, antlers. Hello. Okay, we go hippo. It's like a little safari in itself. Nikki, we leave drinks in cart. What percentage do you think monkey will steal?
What?
What percentage do you think monkey will steal?
I don't know.
Like 90%?
No, I think not.
No. 20%? Monkey still drink. Okay.
I not see the monkey allowed, maybe.
Oh, you can just see the hump here. And the nose. Yeah. Sleeping. Oh, that's cool though. Bubbles. Oh, our drinks are still there. Yeah. Oh. Oh, they have show times. Can you see penguin without the show? Let me find out. What? Here, you get some toys. Yeah. Some dinosaurs. Look. Wow. Whoa. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, he just left. I just saw him. We found Panther. Meow meow. Look at this guy. Oh, there's more. Cool. There's a. Are they gibbons? I don't know. Something. Cool. Okay, back to cart. Look, what's that? An iguana? I'm probably gonna get all the names of these animals wrong, so. Is there like a little hippo back there? You see? Just like barely. Oh, over here. Oh, she's pointing at something. What do we got? Oh, it's a bigger hippo. Right there. I mean, I'm sure you can see it, but maybe not. They look like rocks, kind of. It's a rock lobster. Oh. Don't worry, it's sleeping. Okay. I think a sloth is next, so yeah, we should be able to get close to it. Wow. Okay. Nikki found the babies. Cute. Okay, now we go sloth, I think. It's over here somewhere. Nikki found snake. She said, oh no, and I said, look, it's fake, because it's wrapped into the fence. Look, sloth over here. Nick, wait. Oh, it was just outside, not went inside. Boo. Yeah, when we drove by, it was out here. And now it's hiding in his house. In his house. Hello. It's coming for Nikki. Slowly but surely. More slowly than anything, but we'll see what it does. Is Nikki in the morning with one coffee? Wow. That was for me, not the sloth. Cool. Oh, they found the turtles. Wow, look at this big one. These are big one. Look at this big one. That's a big one. Look at this truck. Ah! Look at this dude just munching away. Oh, not anymore. Sorry you couldn't eat. It's okay. I try not to disturb. Okay, moving on. Oh, it looks like the building's up over there. Nikki ran away. Ooh, snapping turtle. We actually, my brother and I found one of these in a creek that was close to our house, and his dumbass carried all the way home just to show the parents, like, it's gonna snap on you, man. Don't do that. Oh. Yeah, it looks like it's not in here, but it's actually this. It's this thing right here. Blends in pretty good, huh? Got a lot of these ones. Look, oh, that's so rich. There's monkeys up there. She's worried about it. Okay, we keep going. And then you got these painted ones. Oh yeah. Cool, cool. Oh, the monkeys. Gotta watch out. They were running around. They're like capybaras. Wow. Nom, 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 nom. Alright, there it is. Do not feed. What does it say? Do not touch. Look at all these kids. Oh my gosh. They're so excited. Don't touch these eggs because and over here too. It's coming for you. Oh. Alright, birds. You know what? It's got. Oh. What? I don't know what you said. And then more birds. And there's a snake over there behind the T-Rex. Ooh. Oh, this one. These are lemurs, huh? Yeah, the other ones were gibbons, I guess. I don't know. What do you think?
Stay in the water.
So you got the big snake, yeah, and you got the smaller one. You can kind of see it. It's kind of. Yeah. She was looking at this one, and I showed her this one. She goes, "Oh, ooh, 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 bigger." Anaconda. Ooh, hip hop, anonymous. Why does it get the easy ones? So you have rhinos that way. Oh, you got the zebras here, and the entrance is over there. So we're gonna hang out with the zebras for a quick minute and then go to the entrance. Okay, we found entrance. Hey, I think there's lines this way. Nikki. There's giraffes over there. We're gonna see on the back end of the. Oh, there's ostrich also. So the road goes around. So when we get over there, we'll go see those. But right now we're gonna look at these lions. Wow, wow, wow. Look at what we found here. Oh my gosh.
Lion 怎么叫？Lion 怎么叫？不是，是这样，是这样子。
All these kids showed up, and it's like, food. I'm surprised. You could get really, really close to these animals here. I mean, look, there's like one bar. I mean, there he is. Okay. Oh, wildebeest. Good deer. Cool. Hello. And here we have the elusive Suzuki car. Swaddy cap. Hello, hello. I know we already saw these, but these guys were walking up to me, so I thought it'd be cool. Oh, there's a bunch of different kids now. Oh, they're butts. Okay. Yeah. So we finally found the lemurs. I don't know what the hell the other things were that we were looking at. I think I'm just making stuff up as we go. It's cool. This is the hippos over there. Oh, there's lots of people. Okay. Oh, she likes. Oh yeah, you can go down these stairs, and go down here and like look. Let's see. But it looks like they're all way over there, so you can't really see any. Oh, we'll go down where Nikki's at and see if we can see better. Okay. But yeah, I was telling Nikki, you know, I like to move it. Yeah, it's this guy right here. Yeah.
There.
Yeah, they're all down there. Can't see so well. Okay. Next is rhinos. What does that say? I have no idea. Maybe I'll ask. Rhino Club. These are good rhinos. Okay. Nikki, what's say? Those letters there.
What?
The letters there.
Oh, Africa.
Oh, Africa. Okay. Yeah, that definitely says Africa to me. Okay. Okay, there's some fox before the rhino, so yeah, they got bat ears. The bat-eared fox. They sleeping though. It's hot. I don't blame them. Wow, you can get so close to this. Holy bajolies. Wow. It's like, well, nom. Wow. Okay, it's the rhino. I think it's probably the closest you're gonna get to a rhino. I mean, without it, you know, trying to run into your car or something. They got flamingos. Yo. Nikki was like, screw the rhino, I want to see the flamingos. Okay. Oh, we found the bears. Hello, bear. Nikki said she's gonna, you see something you want to see. She's like, I don't want to get close to the bears. But apparently she saw something else that is worth getting out of the cart. What do we got? Oh, the sun bear. If you remember that, oh, there you go in the back. Yeah. Can see, yeah. If you remember the video from Japan, it looked like, I think it was a sun bear that everybody thought were humans in suit. Come. She keeps missing it. There's a lot of monkeys down here. We gotta get past all the monkey gatekeepers. Then there's more monkeys over here. Ah, monkey! Oh, those ones are biting each other. Okay. We're coming over here because there's a lion and a lioness. Oh, the kids bus. Kids bus is coming. Kids bus. Oh, look at this guy. Wow. Hello, lion. She's worried about the monkey. Okay, now we go. There's Tiger over there. You got all the monkeys, more monkeys. Then you got the Tiger's just chilling there. Chilling. We're gonna go over here and look at the giraffes there. We have found the giraffes. Oh, they're feeding somewhere here. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna drive through the rest of this because we have like 20 minutes left on our time, and we stopped to see everything. So we're not stopping to see anything else. We're just gonna drive by and look, huh? Oh, there's a like a bear thing going.
Oh, little one. The white one.
So that's probably gonna be the end of this because we're just gonna drive. That's it. All right. Okay, so I lied because you can only see this by coming down here and going into it. So we're just gonna look at this. It's kangaroos and koalas and wallaby and stuff. Nikki, put your face in there. Yeah. Nikki says, "Oh, so cute." Cool. It's like a little enclosure thing going on here. Can you see wombats? Oh yeah. You sleep. Yeah, it's a wombat. Shh, wombat sleep. Okay. What is it? It's like an African gray, maybe. I don't know. It doesn't have a thing. Electus parrot. That's what it says. Hello. Not a talking one? I think I just got rained on. Ooh, maybe. Look at the big fish and the turtle. He's the best thing at the zoo. Well, you know. Okay. Sorry. Ooh, more crocodile. Kind of disappointed we didn't get to have that one, like, coo back. Because it was doing it the whole time, and then I started videotaping, and then it stopped. It's like... I don't see. Oh, there it is. Hello. Okay. And then we have kangaroos that sleep. They sleep. There's a little one there. That one's awake, but it's not doing nothing. It's just hanging out. The kangaroo. Pop. Okay. What a koala? Is it sleeping? Yeah. As per usual. The sleeping koala. It's chilling. Okay. Good night, koala. Okay, bye, Australia. Oh, you drive? No, she's not driving. Okay. Not that much after the Australia thing, like orangutans, but we didn't stop for that because we almost ran out of time. So we got back with like 90 minutes. And on the back end, there's not really anything. You're just driving through the forest, basically. All right, it was fun. Okay, my friends, it's actually the next day, and I don't know, we got into the taxi, we started talking about other things, and I just totally forgot that I said I was going to talk about, you know, how long it took to get there and how much it cost and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So we got a taxi to go out to the zoo, which is 500 baht. On the way to the zoo, we started talking about going to see the tigers on a different date. And the taxi driver said, oh, well, it's pretty close. There's one pretty close to the zoo. So if we wanted to, you know, 500 baht there, 500 baht back, and then like 300 baht for waiting for us, he would take us to the tiger zoo and then wait for us to be done, and then take us to the zoo and then wait for us to be done, and then take us back. 1,300 baht. It's pretty good price. So that's how much the taxi was, and we decided to go ahead and do it. The cost to get into the tiger zoo was, well, so at the very beginning they have options that you can do, packages if you want to do multiple things. So you just have to buy one thing to get in there, and then once you're in there you can do the other things. But I think if you do a package, it makes it cost less, probably. So we just wanted to get the picture with a baby tiger. I thought I got a picture with the baby lion, but they gave me a ticket for the baby tiger, so we went and got pictures of the baby tiger. And then, as you saw, I just took some video of the baby lions. They were kind of big, and they said also they wouldn't sit on our lap like the tigers. We would have to kind of like stand there and a little bit far away and feed them. So maybe it was better to do the tiger because you can actually hold them and like feed them and pet them and stuff. It was a good experience, I think. So that was 250 baht per person. It's 500 baht for both of us. And then we got into the park and I did the shoot and feed, which you shoot the little things and it drops meat for the tigers to eat. That was 150 baht, and that was it. And we probably bought like water, which was 30 baht or something. So that whole thing. So you got the 1,300 baht for the taxi, then you have the 650 for the whole tiger experience. Not too bad. And then like 30 baht or something for water so far. So then we get to the zoo, and of course to enter the zoo, if you're a foreigner, you have to pay more, and that was 250 baht for me. And then for Nikki to get in, it was 100 baht. And then since we were with the taxi, we didn't have to pay the car fee. But if you take a car in there, you have to pay a car fee. I don't know what it would be because we didn't have to pay it. So 350 baht just to get into the zoo. We ended up renting, one of those go-karts to go around for 2 hours. You could do it based on hourly. For 1 hour is like 250 baht, 2 hours is 500 baht, so on and so forth. So we got it for 2 hours, and that's why you see me saying, oh, it's almost time for us to go. We got to go. Because if you come back late, there's a late fee that you have to pay, but we ended up not to pay that. So, 350 baht to get into the zoo, 500 baht for the go-kart, which you don't need. They have a bus that will go. You could just get on the bus and then ride around the zoo if you want to do that. But I would recommend getting the go-kart just because you could go and do things on your own and then stop at the things you want to stop and not stop at the things you don't want to stop. So I think it's recommended. And then we got, a couple drinks for the way, probably 100 baht for 2 drinks for us to have something to drink while go-karting around the zoo. So all in all, you got the 1,300 for the taxi, then you have the 650 for the tiger, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 850 for the regular zoo. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Let me just see how much that is all together. Sorry, I'm gonna do the calculator on my computer real quick. Sorry. Okay, calculator please. I know pretty much everybody has already calculated it, and it's just taking me a minute because I'm just tired. I can't do it in my head at the moment. So 2,800, does that sound correct? So 2,800 baht, 60, 70, 75, 80, like $84. It was like $84 for the whole thing, which is pretty good because in America, I think that you probably spend $84 just to get into the zoo. So that was the cost. And then the time for us to get there, it was about 50 minutes to get there. And then we stayed at the tiger place for about an hour and a half. And then it was like 20 minutes to get over to the zoo from the tiger place. And we stayed there for about 2.5 hours. And then, of course, the 50 minutes to get back. So all in all, I think the price that it was with all the things that we got to do, plus having a ride there and back, is just, it was really good. So, all right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a kind of longer one, but I kind of wanted to show, all the things at the zoo and whatnot and what you could do. There's so many kids, and then a lot of monkeys that we were worried was going to steal our stuff. So you got to watch out for that. But yeah, I hope you guys appreciated that. I appreciate you guys. Feel free to make comments or subscribe or share or like or whatever. And I'll see you on the next one.